Week 3, congratulations.
We're there. This is not a repetition. I hope you're feeling what I anticipate for you, which is some significant changes in that pretzel and the Jefferson curl, even in the ankle exercises. All of those positions that were your most challenging, you should feel like your beginning points are getting more towards the middle of where you were. So your like second sets are starting to feel like your third and your first like your second in the repetition of what I gave you.
Yeah, and if like you're training right now and you're making slight improvements in your training, it's just, this mobility is just like jiu-jitsu. It's just like the techniques. The first day that you learn it, you're not going to be able to use it. So just keep putting in that work, and hopefully how this will help you is it'll protect you over time, right? So it's not just this like one time, it's like, man, my shoulder didn't pop out. It's like, no, like for forever, somebody leaning my weight, my shoulder is going to be able to protect itself with all this mobility work we've been doing. So don't look for the success now. Keep climbing that mountain and you're going to reach it.
That's right.